by taking Laplace transform, the differential equations are converted into algebraic equations. The differential equations are converted into algebraic equations. The equations will have variables and constants. అదే మనం ఇంకా చేసాం లాప్లా. ఇప్పుడు మనం తీసుకున్న ఈక్వేషన్స్ అవే. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ నేను చూపించాను చూసారా, algebraic equations, right? These are the algebraic equations. These four equations are the algebraic equations. It has constants as well as variables. These are the variables: VA of S, EB of S, IA of S, theta of S, T of S. These are the variables. Now, what are the constants here? What are the constants? RA is the constant, LA is the constant, and similarly J is the constant, B is the constant, KT is the constant, KB is the constant, right? These equations have constants as well as the variables, right? Constants as well as the variables, right? So from the working knowledge of the system, we need to know what are the input and output variables and draw the block diagram for each equation. We have four equations. For four equations, we have to draw four block diagram sections. After drawing those four block diagram sections, by interconnecting, right? By interconnecting those sections, we can obtain overall block diagram of the system, right? Chalo, we'll draw the block diagram using those four equations. These are the four equations we are taking to draw the block diagram, right? So first we derive the differential equations from the circuit, and we are converting these equations into algebraic equations using Laplace transform method. And by using these four different algebraic equations, now we are drawing the each section for each equation, and we are interconnecting those four sections to obtain the overall block diagram, right? Now we are considering those four equations, right? Coming to the first equation, this is the differential equation, the first differential equation, and this is the first algebraic equation. Are you following? Are you following or not? Are you following or not? Are you following or not? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the equation. Then see how I'm drawing individual block diagram section for this equation, right? In this section, what is the input? What is the input here? What is the input here in this section? What is the point he is saying in the rules? From the working knowledge of the system, we have to identify what are the input variables and what are the output variables, right? So first, our task is we have to identify what are the inputs and what are the outputs, right? Tell me, in this equation, what are the inputs are available? What are the inputs? What are the inputs we are having here? What are the inputs we are having here? Armature control DC motor. Speed దేంతో కంట్రోల్ చేస్తున్నాం అమ్మా? స్పీడ్ దేంతో కంట్రోల్ చేస్తున్నాం? In the armature control DC motor, speed దేంతో కంట్రోల్ చేస్తున్నాం? ఏం వేరీ చేస్తూ?
VA.
Applied input voltage.
మరి అది ఇన్పుటా కాదా? అది ఇన్పుటేనా కాదా?
Yes, sir.
దీంట్లో VA ఉందా లేదా? ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో VA ఉందా లేదా? టెల్ మీ.
ఉంది సార్.
ఉంది sir.
What I am asking, what is the input present here? What are the input variables present here? VA is one input. We have one more input, surprisingly. What is that input? To control the motor, that is opposing voltage to this VA of S. If we suppose if VA of S is increasing the speed of the motor, the opposing voltage, that is back EMF, is reducing the speed of the motor. That means it is also input. That means it is also input, but opposite to the applied input. Opposite to the applied input. That means it is also controlling the speed. It may be reduced. It may be reduce the speed of the motor, but it is controlling the speed. VA of S, it may be increasing the speed of the motor, but it is also controlling the motor. Right? Now tell me, what are the inputs are available in this equation 5? What are the inputs are available in this equation 5? Then tell me. What are the inputs are available in equation 5?
Applied voltage and back EMF, sir.
Applied voltage and back EMF. Right? So what is one more variable present here? EB of S and VA of S are two variables. We are having one more variable in this equation. What is the variable?
IA of S.
IA of S, which is the nothing but output. కరెంట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అని అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఇవ్వటం వల్ల వోల్టేజ్ నుంచే కదా మన కరెంట్ వచ్చేది, అవునా? అంతేనా కాదా?
Yes, sir.
Right. Here we are having remaining variable IA of S, which is the output. Now, hence this equation we are arranging like this. How we arrange means, I am taking EB of S to my left hand side, which is VA of S minus EB of S. VA of S minus EB of S equal to, take the IA of S is common from these two terms. If you take IA of S as common from these two terms, you are getting RA plus SLA. RA plus SLA. Right. What is the input here? What is the input here in this equation? What is the input here in this equation?
Applied voltage minus back EMF.
Right. Applied voltage minus back EMF. Why? Because applying voltage, I mean back EMF, if you observe the sign, it is the negative sign. Negative sign. That means which is opposite to applied voltage, VA of S. So input equal to, what is the output here? What is the output here?
IA of S.
Then what is this one? Then what is this one? Input equal to output into some constant. Some constant. Take that constant as, take the constant as some take the some variable. I mean, suppose take constant A. Right. What is the transfer function? What is the transfer function? What is the transfer function? What is the transfer? Output by input. If you take the output by input, that is transfer function, becomes how much here? How much here?
1 by
A. In this equation, what is A? In this equation, what is A?
RA plus SLA.
Yes, sir.
RA plus SLA. What is transfer function now? What is the transfer function now?
1 by RA plus SLA.
Transfer function ఎక్కడ డ్రా ఎక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం?
block.
Inside the block, right? What is the input to the transfer function? I mean, what is the input to this block now? What is the
VA
input
of
to,
S minus EB of S.
right? That's what I am giving here. This is the signal. What is the resultant signal here coming is VA of S minus EB of S. What is the output?
IA of S.
That's what he is saying. From the working knowledge of the input, from the working knowledge of the system, we have to identify what are the inputs and what are the outputs. Now tell me, VA of S minus VB of S ఎలా వస్తుంది? అలా వచ్చేస్తుందా? For that we are using what is this one? Summing point. Summing point. For the summing point, what are the inputs we are giving?
VA of S, CB of S.
EB of S. EB of S ఎందుకన్నాను? This is the back EMF. Back EMF nothing but feedback voltage. It is feedback voltage. Feedback ఇలానే వస్తుంది కదా, right? Feedback voltage. Then what is the output of the summing point?
VA of S minus CB of S.
What is the transfer function in this section?
1 by RA plus SLA.
What is the output?
IA of S.
Now the first section of the block diagram completed. By using this equation only, we are simply taking EB of S to my left hand side, taking the IA of S as common from these two terms, we are getting this equation where VA of S minus EB of S is the input to the block, 1 by RA plus SLA is the transfer function, IA of S is the output. Thus, this is the equation we are representing in the pictorial form here. This is what block diagram. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? How we can represent
Yeah.
this transfer function in the block diagram section? Is it clear? Is it clear,
Yeah.
all of you? Right. Now, if it is the output of this block, if we have one more block here, now how it becomes to this block? If it is the output of this block, then what about this block? Is it input or output signal to this block?
Input.
Input signal, right? So we have one more equation. What is that equation? We have one more equation. What is that equation? What is the equation? Torque is proportional to current, right? Where Kt is the torque constant, right? Now, from this equation, right? From this equation, what is the input and what is the output? What is the input and
Yeah,
what
this
is the
is-
output? Huh?
IA this is input.
I of S is the input. T of S is the output.
Output.
Torque of the out, right? See, కావాలంటే సర్క్యూట్ చూసుకోండి మీరు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, VA of S మనం ఇస్తున్నాం ఇన్పుట్. దీని నుంచి కరెంట్ జనరేట్ అయింది. కరెంట్ దేనికి వెళ్తుంది? మోటార్కి వెళ్తుంది. మోటార్ ఏం జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది? జనరేట్స్ ద టార్క్. ఇట్ జనరేట్స్ ద టార్క్. ఆ టార్క్ దేనికి వెళ్తుంది? ఇన్పుట్ కింద రొటేషనల్ సిస్టమ్ కి ఇన్పుట్ గా వెళ్తుంది. అర్థమైందా ఫ్లో? ఆర్మేచర్ వోల్టేజ్ ప్రొడ్యూసెస్ ద ఆర్మేచర్ కరెంట్. Armature current, right? It given as input to the motor section. Motor generates torque. Torque is given as input to the mechanical rotational system to move the load. Is it clear? Sequence. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll go to the part, block diagram part, right? Then from equation 2, now what is the input here from this equation? What is the input?
IA of S,
What is the output?
T of S.
Right. So what is the transfer function here? If it is, right, if it is
40.
output and if it is input, what is the transfer function? Output by input. That means T of S by I of S. What is the transfer function?
KT.
That's what I am mentioned in the block diagram. I am taking IA of S as the input and T of S is the output. Now coming to, if we have one more block here, what about T of S to this block?
Input.
Input, right? We have one more equation. Torque is given as input to the mechanical rotational system. What is the output of the mechanical rotational system? What is the output of the mechanical rotational system?
Angular displacement.
Angular displacement. What is the angular displacement? What is the angular displacement? What is the angular displacement here? What is the
Omega
angular
of
displacement?
S.
Theta of S, right? But here we have, what is this one? What is this one? Tell me. What is we have? ఇదేంటి నాన్న? ఒమేగా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ అంటే ఒమేగా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ అంటే థీటా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ అంటే యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ అని చెప్పారు. ఒమేగా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ అంటే
Angular frequencies.
యాంగులర్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీయా?
Angular velocity, sir.
Angular velocity. Angular velocity. What is the input here now from this equation? What is the input in this equation?
T of s.
What is the output?
Omega of s.
Velocity of the motor, omega of s, right? Take the omega of s common from these two terms, right? So which becomes T of s equal to Js plus beta b into omega of s into omega of s. This is the input. This is the output. What is the transfer function now? What is the transfer function now?
1 by js plus b.
1 by Js plus b. What is the input to this section?
T of s.
Which is the output of previous section. Here Ia of s is the output of before section, first section. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right?
sir.
In the first section, we have Va of s minus Eb of s as the input. Ia of s is the output. In the second section, Ia of s is the input, T of s is the output. In the third section, T of s is the input, omega of s is the output. Right? Then coming to next equation. What is that equation? What is the equation? Eb of s equal to kb into omega of s. In this, what is the input? What is the output? In this, what is the input and what is the output?
Angular
Omega of s
velocity.
in
Omega of s is the input. What is the output?
Eb of s.
Eb of s. Right? And here we know that omega of s ante enti? What is omega of s?
Angular velocity.
Angular velocity.
So which is we write it as s into theta of s, isn't it or not? Raskocha. Omega of t equal to d theta by dt. Antena? Angular velocity ante idena? In time domain. If you apply Laplace, omega of s equal to s into theta of s. Is it correct or not? Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
correct
sir.
or not? These two equations. Correct or not? Respond. Correct or not? Respond, anyone, please. Is it clear, all of you? Omega t equal to d theta by dt. What is omega of s after applying Laplace transform? After applying Laplace transform, what is the output? What is the equation we are getting?
S into t.
D theta by dt. What is omega of s? Apply Laplace transform. Tell me, what is omega of s?
Into theta of s.
S into
Theta of
into
s, sir.
theta of s, right? So in the armature control DC motor, what is the output we are getting? What is the output we are having? What is the output we are having?
Displacement.
Angular displacement theta of s. But we have omega s here. Omega s వచ్చింది మనకి, right? So in order to convert omega s into theta of s. Now from this, what is theta of s? From this equation, what is theta of s? This equation,
1 by s into omega of s.
right? So is it clear? This section, is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now we are connecting these all sections to draw the final diagram. If you observe, this is the block diagram of armature control DC motor. So this is the first section. If you observe, this is the first section, isn't it or not? This is the first section. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
This is the first section. V of S minus EB of S is the input, IA of S is the output. Is it clear, all of you? The first section. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is the second section. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
IA of S, output of first section is given as input to the second section. Is it clear? What is output of second section?
T of S.
T of S. Now it is input to the third section. This is the third section. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the output we are having? We required. What is the output we required?
Theta of S.
అందుకే నేను ఇక్కడ 1/s ప్లేస్ చేశాను. 1/s into omega of s అంటే ఎంత?
Theta of S.
What is the input to entire block diagram?
VA of S.
What is the output?
Theta of S.
Right. We have one more input. What is that one?
EB of S.
EB of s. What is the input to the EB of s? What is the
Omega
input
of
to the what is the input to this section?
Omega of S.
What is the output of this section?
EB of S.
EB of s. Right. EB of s ఎక్కడ ఇస్తున్నాం? మళ్ళీ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇన్పుట్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ అంతేనా? EB of s is the input to the first section, isn't it or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So here we have point. Right. What are the elements of the block diagram? What are the elements of the block diagram?
Block, summing point, branching point.
Right. How many blocks are there in this block diagram? How many blocks are there in
Five.
in 5 blocks? How many summing points are there?
One.
How many branch points are there?
One, sir.
This is one branch point. Okay. How many variables are there in this section? How many variables are there in this section?
4.
4. What are those?
RA, LA, JB.
RA, LB, JB, variables are. KT, KB go చెప్పాల్సింది. Are they constants or variables?
Constants, sir.
I'm asking the variables.
VA of S, EB of S, IA of S, omega of S, T of
అంతే
S.
ఉన్నాయి. అంతేనా? ఒమేగా ఎస్ ఇక్కడతో ఆపేసావే. ఇదేం చేసింది పాపం?
Theta of S కూడా, sir.
రైట్. ఎందుకు వేరియబుల్ అంటున్నావు? థీటా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది? ఇది వేరీ చేస్తుంటే థీటా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ అవుద్దా?
Yes, sir.
ఇది వేరీ చేస్తుంటే ఐఏ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ అవుద్దా?
Yes, sir.
ఐఏ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ చేస్తుంటే టీ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ అవుద్దా?
Yes, sir.
టీ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ చేస్తుంటే ఒమేగా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ అవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఈబీ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ చేస్తుంటే ఒమేగా ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వేరీ అవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
All they are called variables. They are not constants. Okay. This is the block diagram of armature controlled DC motor. Is it clear, all of you? How do we draw a block diagram using the algebraic equations? Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we'll move to the field control section. Field control motor. In the field control motor, the armature section is ideal one. The armature section is ideal one. Right? In the field control DC motor, armature section is negligible. Okay, armature section is negligible. We are considering only field section. We are considering only field section. See, the speed of the DC motor is directly proportional to VA and inversely proportional to pi. This is what we discussed. Speed of the motor is directly proportional to VA and inversely proportional to flux in the field winding. So in the field control DC motor, we are keeping VA as the constant. In the armature controlled DC motor, we are keeping flux as the constant. We are keeping flux as the constant. But in the field controlled DC motor, we are keeping VA as the constant. And the speed is varying by varying the flux of the machine. In the armature control motor, the speed is varied by varying the armature voltage. But here, the speed is varying by varying the flux of the machine. That is flux in the field circuit, right? So here the flux is depends upon the field current. Flux is depends upon the field current. Flux is directly proportional to field current, right? So that means the flux is varied by field current. The flux is varied by field current. But field current ekkadi nunchi vastundi? Field current ekkadi nunchi vastundi? Current vachestunది automatic ga. Field current ekkadi nunchi vastundi?
Voltage.
Field voltage, VF. So by varying the VF, we can vary the flux. By varying the flux, we can vary the by varying the flux, we can vary the
Current.
Speed of the motor.
speed of the motor. That's what we have. Ingaka, by varying the armature law, by varying the VA, we are varying the speed. Here, by varying the flux, we are varying the speed. But this flux is depends upon field current, and this field current is depends upon field voltage. Here also depends upon armature current. Armature current depends upon armature voltage. In the field circuit, armature part is constant, right? So the electrical system, we have armature as well as field circuit, but the analysis we are considering only field circuit. In the previous topic, armature control DC motor, we are considering only armature part. We are neglecting field part. We are considered only armature part. But in the field control DC motor, we are not considering armature part. We are considering only field part. Is it clear, all of you, the difference? Is it clear, all of you? But it is common. This section is common. Mechanical section is common. Only difference is electrical section. That's why he is saying electrical system consists of armature and field circuit. But the analysis purpose, we are considering only field circuit. In the armature control DC motor, we are considering only armature circuit. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Here also we are having field resistance, field inductance, field current, field voltage, torque constant, moment of inertia of the mass, friction. దానికి దీనికి ఒక వేరియబుల్ లేదు మనకి. ఏంటి ఆ వేరియబుల్ చెప్పండి? ఆర్మేచర్ కి ఫీల్డ్ కి ఒకటి తగ్గింది. ఏంటది? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్? మనకు ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ లో తగ్గిద్ది దానివల్ల. ఏంటది? ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ లో తగ్గుతుంది ఇప్పుడు దానివల్ల. మనకి ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? రైట్, వెరీ గుడ్ అన్న. బ్యాక్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ లేదు మనకి ఇక్కడ. బ్యాక్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఆర్మేచర్ సెక్షన్ ఓన్లీ. ఫీల్డ్ సర్క్యూట్ లో మనకి లేదు కనెక్షన్. ఐ మీన్ మోటార్ నుంచి బ్యాక్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ కనెక్షన్ ఉండదు మనకి ఫీల్డ్ సర్క్యూట్ లో. ఓన్లీ ఫ్లక్స్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, ఫ్లక్స్ ఈస్ ద ఇన్పుట్. ఓన్లీ ఫ్లక్స్ ఈస్ ద ఇన్పుట్ ఇన్ ద ఫీల్డ్ సెక్షన్, రైట్? బట్ ఇన్ ద ఆర్మేచర్ సర్క్యూట్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ VA యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ EB, బ్యాక్ ఈఎంఎఫ్. రెండింటి నుంచి రిజల్టెంట్ వోల్టేజ్ తీసుకొని దాని నుంచి స్పీడ్ కంట్రోల్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం ఓన్లీ ఫ్లక్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫీల్డ్ సర్క్యూట్ కంట్రోల్స్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద మోటార్. నౌ కమింగ్ టు ఎలక్ట్రికల్ పార్ట్, సిమిలర్. అప్లై KVL. Coming to analysis, this is the equation. Apply KVL. This is what we are getting equation. VF equal to IF, current flowing through RF, IF RF. Next, current flowing through inductor, LF DIF by dt. LF DIF by dt. Is it clear? Equation 1, all of you. Is it clear, all of you? Equation 1.
Yes.
Is it clear? After applying KVL, we are getting this equation 1. Similar to armature circuit. Armature lo kuda ante vachindi. Katham we are having one more term, that is back EMF. Manaki akkada plus EB అని వస్తుంది back EMF. ఇక్కడ లేదు back EMF. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear or not? Hello, respond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, next, what is the torque? మనం ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం, ఆర్మేచర్ లో టార్క్ is proportional to product of ఆర్మేచర్ కరెంట్ అండ్ ఫ్లక్స్. ఇదేనా మనం చెప్పింది? సారీ, ఎస్, ఆర్మేచర్ కరెంట్ అండ్ ఫ్లక్స్. ఇదేనా నేను చెప్పింది? అవునా కాదా? Torque is proportional to product of armature current and flux. This is what I am discussed in the previous topic, where I am neglecting the flux. Where in the armature control DC motor I am neglected the flux. Why I am neglected the flux in the armature control DC motor? Why I am neglected the flux in the armature control DC motor?
Field circuit is considered as constant.
Right, we are not considering field circuit, but in this topic, I mean field control DC motor, what is the constant?
Armature.
So I am neglecting this IA. Now I am neglecting this IA. Now T proportional to flux here. In this step, T is proportional to flux. Okay. Now flux depends upon which parameter? Flux దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది? ఫ్లక్స్ దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది? చెప్పండి, దేని మీద చెప్పండి, కరెక్టే.
Field current.
Field current. So IF. So that's what I have written here. Torque of the DC motor is proportional to product of flux and armature current. Since armature current is constant in this system, the torque is proportional to flux alone. But flux is proportional to IF. Torque is proportional to IF. Now if you remove this proportionality, we are getting proportionality constant KTF. Is it clear, all of you? Second equation?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now third equation is similar now. There is no change in the third equation. If you observe, torque is the input, displacement, angular displacement is the output. Is it any change in the third equation? Did you observe? Is there any change in the third equation? Yes or no? Armature circuit gaani, field control gaani, armature gaani, third equation ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అయిందా?
No, sir.
నో, ఎందుకంటే మెకానికల్ సెక్షన్ కామన్ ఏనా. ఆర్మేచర్ లో మన ఆర్మేచర్ సర్క్యూట్, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఆర్మేచర్ కన్సిడర్ చేసాం. ఫీల్డ్ సర్క్యూట్ లో, ఫీల్డ్ కంట్రోల్ మోటార్స్ లో ఫీల్డ్ సర్క్యూట్ కన్సిడర్ చేసాం. అంటే ఓన్లీ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సిస్టమే మనం వేరీ చేసాం, మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్ మాత్రం మనం అదే కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాం. అందుకే దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ కామన్. సో హౌ మెనీ ఈక్వేషన్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్? Number 1, number 2, number 3. We don't have fourth equation because there is no back EMF. Right? So apply Laplace transform, convert the equations into algebraic equations. Is it clear, all of you? These three equations. Applied Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform to these equations. If you observe this, right, VF of S, IF of S into RF is the constant here, right? RF is the constant here. Next, LF is the constant. Similarly, DIF by dt, DIF by dt, DIF by dt, and S into IF of S. This is equation 4. Coming to number 2, apply Laplace transform. T of S is the variable, KTF is the constant, IF of S is the variable. Equation 5. Now coming to this equation, JS square theta of S plus BS into theta of S equal to T of S. This is the third equation, right? This is what I have written here. This is what I have written here. Is it clear, all of you? These 3 equations. Is it clear or not? Tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Coming to these 2 equations. What is T of S? What is T of S? KTF into TF. KTF ఎందుకు వాడాను నాన్న ఇది చెప్పండి ఎనీవన్ ఇందాక ఆర్మేచర్ లో KT వాడాను టార్క్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ KTF ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నాను అలా ఎందుకు వాడాల్సి వచ్చింది ఎనీవన్
ఫీల్డ్ పార్ట్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నాం.
ఫీల్డ్ పార్ట్ కన్సిడర్ చేయడానికి ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ చూపించడానికి వీఆర్ కన్సిడరింగ్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్ యాజ్ K సఫిక్స్ TF. KT అన్నాం అనుకో టార్క్ కాన్స్టెంట్ బట్ ఆర్మేచర్ సర్క్యూట్ లో ఆల్రెడీ వాడేసాం మరి ఫీల్డ్ సర్క్యూట్ లో కూడా టార్క్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంది అందుకే మనం KTF అని వాడుతున్నాను ఓకేనా రైట్ రైట్ సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ we are getting this relation. Take the theta of S common from these 2 terms, right? Move this KTF to your left hand side, right? So what we are getting, this is the equation we are getting, right? ikkada sodilaga S kuda common తీసాం ఓకే సో S go common తీయటం వల్ల JS plus B వచ్చింది మామూలుగా అయితే JS square plus BS ఉంటుంది right so then take I of S from common from these 2 equations. I of S common from these 2 equations, which becomes VF of S, RF plus SLF, RF plus SLF into IF of S. What is IF of S from this equation? This is the equation S into JS plus B by KTF into theta of S. ఇది ఇలాగో రాసుకోవచ్చు నాన్న JS square plus BS అని నో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ JS square plus BS అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు నో ప్రాబ్లం ఓకేనా రైట్ సో ఆఫ్టర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ IA of S here we are getting this equation. Now tell me what are the variables present in this equation? 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 What are the variables present in this equation?
VF theta of S.
VF of S, theta of S. What is the input and what is the output here?
VF of S input, sir. Theta of S output.
Right. Field voltage is the input, theta of S is the output. Then what is the transfer function? What is the transfer?
KTF.
Right. This is the transfer function. This is the 7 marks question. దీని నుంచి బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ 2 minutes నానా అయిపోయింది సో ఇవి ఈ 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్ మనకు ఉన్నాయి దానికి చేసినట్టే చేస్తాం చూడండి చాలా సింపుల్ దాని మీద చూస్తే ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ రైట్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఇన్పుట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ టెల్ మీ
VF of S input, IF of S output.
right take the common now VF of S equal to IF of S into RF plus SLF, RF plus SLF. What is the transfer function now? Output
1
by
by
input.
RF.
1 by RF plus SLF. Is it clear? First section, all of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Then Coming to T of S, we have one more equation. What is the input? What is the output? This is the output for this section now, which becomes input to the next section. What is the input? What is the output? What is the
IF
input?
of S input, T of S output.
Right. What is the transfer function?
KT of F.
KTF. Right. This is the second section. Coming to third section. What is the output of second section?
T of S.
Right. Coming to third equation. What is the input? What is the output?
T of S input, theta of S output.
Then what is the theta of S here? 1 by j square plus bs into T of S. So what is the transfer function here? What is the transfer
1
function?
by JS square plus BF.
So what is the input? What is the output? Vf of S is the input. Output of this section is IF of S. Input to this section is IF of S. Output of this section is T of S. Input to this section is T of S. What is the output? What is the output of final section? T of S. Interconnect those sections. This is the block diagram of field controlled DC motor. It's very simple. The only difference is armature and field. The only difference is, sorry, KB gada. This is KB, right? Back EMF constant. The only difference is we have summing point plus minus, and this is EB of S. This is EB of S, and this is VA of S. And the resultant voltage output of summing point is VA of S minus EB of S. Is it clear, all of you, the difference between field and DC, field control and armature control? Is it clear? Transfer block diagram. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is how we can draw the block diagram by using the differential equations, by converting those differential equations into algebraic equations. By using algebraic equations, you have to identify what are the input variables, what are the output variables, what are the constants. From the knowledge of those things, you have to draw the block diagram individual sections. And by interconnecting those individual sections, you can form the overall block diagram of the given system. Is it clear, all of you, today's class? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next class lo oka block diagram iste idi block diagram iste idi block diagram untundi. Deen nunchi manam transfer function ela calculate chestam. Here what is the input for this block diagram? What is the input? What is the input?
R.
What is the output?
C.
Find C by R, nothing but find the transfer function. మనం ఇప్పుడు రివర్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అన్నమాట. మనం అక్కడ ఏం చేసామో దానికి రివర్స్ చేస్తాం. చివరికి మనం ఒక్కొక్క బ్లాక్ ని రెడ్యూస్ చేసుకుంటూ ఫైనల్లీ we can derive transfer function. It's a very important for GATE competition exams as well as your external exams. Without question from block diagram reduction, there is no GATE paper. Gutupetukondi, there is no GATE paper. Very important topics in control systems. Block diagram reduction. So very important.